Good morning. Today we are going to investigate the factors affecting the strength of an electromagnet by doing an experiment. The purpose of this lab is to analyze the strength and effects of an electromagnet by changing the number of coils around the nails. This also includes increasing or decreasing the voltage in the wire and voltmeter. Our hypothesis will predict that as we increase the current or voltage, the strength of electromagnets will increase also. However, the temperature will rise up correspondingly. We also predict that the more we coil the wires, the stronger electromagnet is.
The material are the following: nail, voltmeter, wires, paper clip, and the connector.
In our second trial, we changed from 15 coils to 30. Insert the red connector to 2 volts and the black one at 0. Once again, turn on the voltmeter to attract the paper clips and turn off the voltmeter when it gets too hot. Repeat the procedures with the red connector at 5 voltage. And finally, write down the results to evaluate the effects and difference of voltage and the number of coils around the nail. So with the procedure, we start off with coiling 15 coils of wire around the nail and attach the copper wire to both sides of the crocodile clip. Then insert the red connector to 2 voltage while keeping the black at 0 before turning on the voltmeter and using the nails to attract the paper clips. After trying, turn off the voltmeter immediately when the nail gets too hot. Repeat the steps but change the red connector to 5 volts and keeping the black at 0. And the result of this experience, 15 coils at 2 volts is a less strength of electromagnet. It doesn't increase temperature and we cannot put up any paper clips. 15 coils with 5 volts it increase temperature and increase strength of electromagnet. We can put up 1 paper clips. 30 coils with 2 volts, it is similar to 15 coils with 5 volts. It increases temperature and increases strength of electromagnet. It is also put up on paper clips. 30 coils with 5 volts, it is the strongest strength of electromagnet and it is also the hottest temperature, and we can put up 5 paper clips. In conclusion, our hypothesis was correct. We can conclude that as the amount of times the nail was coiled and the voltage increased, the strength of the electromagnet also increased, which attracted more paper clips to the voltmeter. The current of the electricity was also increased due to the collision of atoms, so some of the current was converted into heat energy and caused the nail to become hotter.
An experiment, we have many problems, but we know how to solve our this problem. First, we did the 5 voltage experiment, and it's very hot. So next time, we will prepare gloves and use in experiment to avoid getting burned. And if we have a chance to do these experiments again, we will use more metal material in this experiment, not just paperclip only, to know more about the strength of electromagnet.
Electromagnetism plays a significant role in our daily lives. Whatever we do, we always use electromagnets. Electromagnets are widely used in electrical components in devices. For instance, motors, hard disks, and even induction heating in cooking. And moreover, electromagnets are also used in industries for picking up and moving heavy metals objects such as scrap iron and steel. And this is the end of this video. Hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.